The Woodpecker's Duax angle drilling table is a precision tool designed for drilling at angles on a drill press. Its sturdy base fits various drill press table sizes and supports an adjustable angle table with dual axis adjustment from 0 degrees to 90 degrees. The laser-cut teeth and stainless steel quadrants ensure precise and repeatable angles, while an adjustable fence offers flexibility for different workpieces. Compatible with a range of setups, it provides versatile mounting options. Built from durable materials, this table enables accurate and efficient angled drilling with easy setup and operation. The Woodpecker's Deluxe Trammel system is a precision tool ideal for woodworkers. It includes 3 aircraft-grade aluminum beams, 12, 24, and 36 inches, with laser-engraved scales and connectors for larger arcs. Adjustable clamps slide along the beams, allowing precise positioning with hairline indicators. Attachments include pencil holders, scribe pins, edge gauges, hole locators, and corner gauges, offering versatility for marking, measuring, and checking squareness. With durable construction and easy assembly, it's designed for accuracy and includes a racket for wall storage. This system is a comprehensive solution for precise layout work. The Woodpecker's 1281 Precision Woodworking Square is a top-tier tool prized for accuracy and durability. It's machined to within 1/1000th of an inch along its entire length, ensuring unmatched precision. The one-piece core, with precision-pinned cheeks, provides rigidity that prevents flexing or warping over time. Its shoulder design offers hands-free operation, and laser-engraved scales make for easy, accurate measurements. Made from high-quality aluminum, the 1281 is built to last. Overall, it's an exceptional choice for woodworkers seeking a reliable, high-performance square. The Woodpecker Full-Throttle Blast Gate is a cutting-edge addition to dust collection systems, enhancing airflow efficiency and reducing maintenance needs. Its innovative butterfly valve design ensures a smoother airflow path, reducing restrictions for optimal dust collection. Maintenance is minimized since there's no sliding track that needs regular cleaning or lubrication. The gate's design also supports a snug fit with quick-change couplers, reducing leaks, and its tapered sections make flexible hose installation straightforward. Additionally, mounting brackets are included, allowing for easy installation on walls or ceilings. The Woodpecker's PosyLock T Square is a high-precision tool for accurate angled layouts in woodworking. It features a unique detent-locking protractor for secure angle setting at 5-degree intervals, with laser-cut scribing guides for precise parallel marking. The stainless steel blade minimizes parallax error, while the laser-engraved scales ensure measurement accuracy. Built-in edge support enhances stability, and it's compatible with Woodpecker's racket storage system for easy organization. This durable tool improves accuracy, efficiency, and versatility, making it ideal for tasks like angled cuts and panel layout, ensuring professional quality results for woodworkers. The Woodpecker's 3.5-inch and 6-inch delve squares are versatile woodworking tools designed to enhance layout tasks with precision. The 3.5-inch square features an offset base for easy marking of centers and thirds on standard 3/4-inch stock, along with milled scribing guides for perfectly parallel lines. It includes built-in setup blocks for various joinery layouts and a self-centering drill bit hole. The 6-inch square retains all these features but is larger, making it ideal for bigger projects. Both squares are crafted from lightweight, durable aircraft-grade aluminum and come with a racket mounting kit for convenient storage. These tools are perfect for furniture and cabinet makers seeking accuracy in a compact design. The Woodpecker's 6-in-1 shop gauge is a versatile tool designed to streamline various woodworking tasks. It features a sliding block that allows for precise adjustments of saw blade and router bit depths. Additionally, the gauge includes a V-block to cradle drill bits, enabling accurate stop collar setups. As a marking gauge, it has a notch to keep your pencil positioned for clean marks. It also serves as a depth gauge for measuring rabbet depths and has a 1/8 inches diameter rod for checking the depth of small holes or grooves. Furthermore, the centering gauge helps find the exact center of a board. Made with high-quality materials, the 6-in-1 shop gauge is both durable and easy to use, making it an essential addition to any woodworker's toolkit. The Woodpecker saw gauge is a precision tool designed to ensure accurate alignment of your table saw and miter slot, promoting clean and precise cuts. Its self-centering design automatically adjusts to the width of the miter slot, eliminating manual adjustments. The precision dial indicator offers readings in thousandths of an inch, allowing for fine-tuning alignments. Crafted from high-quality materials, it ensures durability and longevity in your workshop. Additionally, its user-friendly design and clear instructions make setup and operation straightforward. This tool is essential for woodworkers looking to enhance their cutting accuracy. The Woodpecker's Mini Indexable Combination Square System is a compact and versatile tool set designed for precision woodworking tasks. It features interchangeable heads, including a combination square head and a protractor head for a wide range of functionality. The unique Indexable system allows for precise indexing of the blade at any full-inch mark, ensuring accurate measurements. Laser-engraved scales enhance durability and readability. Its lightweight design makes it easy to carry and store, perfect for job sites or toolboxes. Ideal for marking layout lines, transferring angles, and measuring miter cuts, this system is essential for woodworkers. Overall, it's a valuable addition for those who prioritize precision and efficiency. The Woodpecker's 45/90ths Combo T is a precision woodworking tool designed for marking and measuring 45-degree and 90-degree angles. Constructed from high-quality aluminum or stainless steel, it features a T-shaped design for stability and easy handling. The tool has clear angle indicators for accurate alignment and may include measurement scales for direct readings. Machined to tight tolerances, it ensures accuracy for high-quality woodworking. This versatile tool enhances precision and saves time during layout and cutting, making it ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professional woodworkers. Overall, the Combo T is essential for achieving efficient results in woodworking projects. Woodpecker drill guides are essential tools for woodworking, offering precision and versatility for various drilling tasks. They ensure accurate perpendicular holes, enhancing project quality with every use. Constructed from high-quality materials, these guides are both durable and highly accurate. Their user-friendly design accommodates all skill levels, while features like adjustable depth stops and stable platforms prioritize safety. Popular models include the Autoline Drill Guide for general use, the Universal CrossDowel Jig for precise doweling, and the Pocket Hole Jig for creating strong pocket hole joints. The Woodpecker M2 Box Clamp is a versatile, reliable tool ideal for woodworking projects that require holding pieces together securely during gluing or screwing. Made from durable materials, it's designed for tasks like box joints, dovetails, and T-joints. The M2 Box Clamp is easy to adjust, making it accessible for both beginners and professionals, and it offers solid performance at an affordable price compared to other clamps. Overall, it's a practical choice for woodworkers looking for a sturdy, user-friendly, and versatile clamp. The Woodpecker's Universal CrossDowel Jig is an adaptable tool designed to create robust, reusable joints in woodworking. It supports a wide range of cross-dowel sizes, with adjustable dowel positioning from 7/8 inch to 2 7/8 inches from the board's edge, and bolt hole alignment for wood thicknesses from 3/4 inch to 1 3/4 inches. Precision alignment is facilitated with laser-cut indicators and graduated scales in both inches and millimeters. The jig includes guide bushings to accommodate various bolt and dowel sizes, enabling you to drill either hidden or through holes depending on your design. It's an ideal tool for custom woodworking projects that require strong and precise joints. The Woodpecker's Marking Knife is a precision tool for detailed woodworking tasks, featuring a sharp spear point blade held in a durable anodized aluminum handle. Key features include its ability to mark with exceptional accuracy, making it ideal for dovetails, veneer cutting, and scoring. The stainless steel collet adds stability, and the ergonomic handle design ensures easy, comfortable use. This versatile, durable marking knife is perfect for woodworkers looking to achieve clean, precise results in their projects. The Woodpecker's Cam A-Line Dowel Guide is a high-precision doweling jig designed for adjustable spacing, making it versatile for various woodworking joints, from simple butt joints to intricate miter joints. Its cam system enables dowel hole spacing adjustments from 3/4 inch to 1 and 3/4 inches center to center, providing flexibility for diverse projects. Constructed from durable aluminum and stainless steel, it includes engraved center lines for easy alignment. The jig's versatile stop system and multiple bushing sizes, 1/4 inch, 5/16 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch, accommodate various dowel diameters and allow for repeatable drilling, making it ideal for woodworkers of all skill levels. Woodpeckers marking gauges and panel marking gauges offer dual functionality with both a knife cutter and a mechanical pencil, enhancing versatility across various woodworking tasks. The standard marking gauges feature a large, easy-grip knob for precision adjustments and durable construction in anodized aluminum or stainless steel. Panel marking gauges extend this functionality with a longer fence for improved stability on large panels. Both types are suitable for joinery tasks, with options for marking widths using included spacers. Woodpecker's tools stand out for quality and precision, making them valuable for woodworking projects. The Woodpeckers Mortice Tenon Joinery Jig is a precision tool designed for creating accurate mortices for loose tenon joints with a plunge router. It offers 7 standard mortise sizes, ranging from 4 mm to 14 mm, compatible with Festool domino mortisers, and includes adjustable templates for angled mortises, ideal for projects like louvered doors. Alignment is ensured by index pins and crosshairs, allowing fine-tuned depth control and easy setup, making it accessible to woodworkers of all levels. The jig is also compatible with Woodpecker's precision-milled tenon stock, guaranteeing a perfect fit for strong and reliable joints. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Alignment is ensured by index pins and crosshairs, allowing fine-tuned depth control and easy setup,